Hello, I'm Ray with Ray's Extreme Engines. Uh, Again, this is just a short, quick video how to install piston rings on a piston without a tool. Very simple video. It's going to be short, as fast as I can get it done for you. I just opened this package now. It does come with instructions if you need to on which way they go. This one it is labeled number 2 rings, number 1 rings, and then your number 3 oil rings. Again, I'm going to open these up right quick. When you don't want to get these mixed up, your oil rings are fairly simple to get in. So your oil ring goes on the bottom. So there's just one right there. Remember, this is from packet number 3. You get 2 of these. These are very flexible. Unlike the second ring and the compression ring, you'll see that they're not as flexible. Here you go, you just install it. There's that one. And then, as you can see, one goes in the bottom, one in the center, and then this one's going to go right above it. Just stick it in the groove. Bring it around. Push down. That's it. There's your oil ring. Okay? Number 2. That's your number 2. Your second groove. What you're going to do is get on here. You're going to look. If you look very carefully, you'll see that dot right there. That dot goes to the top. It goes up. So you see that dot? It goes up. This is how you install the ring. Remember, dot is up. Just put it in there. See it? You lift. You twist. And you keep twisting. As you can see how it is. Let's twist it. Don't push too much. You bring it down. Gently move it. Because if you push too hard, it will break. See how it's going? It's going, it's going. I'm pulling a little bit. There it is. It's in. It's in. Okay, that's your second ring. And then this is your number 1, which is your top. Again, this one you're going to see if there's any dots or any grooves, so you'll be able to tell which way this goes. There's none. There's not a dot, and there's no grooves. So this one doesn't matter. You can put it however you want. Again, I'm going to stagger it. You see that one? This one's on this opening. Again, all we're going to do is put it in right there. Remember, top. So it goes just like that. Okay? Now all you do is twist. Of course, you lift it up. If you can see, I'm lifting it up just enough to go on top of the piston. Okay? And you are just turning, and you just keep turning it, you see, Okay. Now, I'm trying to get it to an angle where you can see how it is right now. Okay? See it? Just like that. Now, you're going to pull a little bit and push down. You're going to pull out and push down. That's it. Did you hear that? It went in. I'm pulling on it just enough to go across, to go above. That's it. You don't need a tool. You can do this with some practice. Actually, you don't need that much practice. You see it, and of course you want to stagger your rings. This is a used piston. All I did was clean it up. Like I said, this is an overhaul. We're doing an overhaul on this one, which is basically honing it, putting new rings, new bearings. We're going to put a new camshaft, new timing chain, new oil pump screen, new gaskets, new valve job. We are putting a new intake on here, carburetor, and we are going to run this engine. But I just want to show you how to put piston rings without a ring installer, without a tool. A simple way to do it. Hit the like button on it. Subscribe to my channel so you can see future how-to videos, including tuning, Vitex, and so on. Thanks for watching.